friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we are going to draw something super fun and yummy, a rainbow birthday cake. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your black marker. Let's start by drawing the bottom layer of the cake. A nice big rectangle with rounded edges. Great job! Now, let's add the top layer of the cake. Make it a little smaller and put it on top of the first one. Looks yummy already. Time to decorate. Let's draw some heart shapes on each layer. Great job! What's a birthday cake without candles? Let's draw 3 candles on the top layer. And don't forget the little flames. Now, let's draw a plate underneath the cake so it doesn't fall down. Perfect! Nice job, everyone! Our cake drawing is complete. Let's go over the lines again and make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Grab your rainbow colors. Let's color together and say the names of the colors. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Green color.
La 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 la. La 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 la
Blue
la
color.
la la.
Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, our rainbow cake is looking so colorful and beautiful. You all did an amazing job today. Our rainbow birthday cake is complete. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings.
Yay!
Bye, friends! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.